Hi there. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the BIMLOGIQ public command check collision in View. This tool detects and marks collisions between elements in your current model and a linked file directly within your active view. First, select the source link file. This is the model containing elements to check for collisions. If no link is selected, the tool will use the current model as the source. Next, pick the source categories. These are the categories of elements in the source model that will be checked for intersections. Now, select the link file that contains the elements you want to test for collisions against. Choose the target categories in the linked model. These will be checked for intersection with the source elements. Set the annotation circle radius in millimeters. This determines the size of the circles drawn at collision points. You can customize the appearance of collision markers by setting the line weight and choosing an annotation color. Optionally, enable auto-selection of created detail circles for easy review and modification after they're placed. Once everything is set, click Run button. The tool will scan for collisions and annotate them directly in the current view. Let's zoom in a little and review the result. Here we can see our circles are selected and showing intersections between pipes and walls. When we deselect the circles, we can see that they are red, as we selected earlier. And that's it. Thank you for watching and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.